Hi friends, for our math journal activity today, we're going to work on number practice. So we're going to work on tracing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first, remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to write my name at the top. Then I'm going to look. There's one black circle in the first school bus. So I'm going to work on tracing the number 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. So I'm going to take my time and nicely trace the ones. See how I'm staying on the line, friends? This is helping with my number formation. Then I'm going to count in the second box. 1, 2. I'm going to take my time practicing tracing my 2's around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Okay, friends. So you're going to do the rest on your own. You're going to work on finishing tracing the 2's, the 3's, the 4's, and the 5's. Remember to hold your pencil the right way and to always use a pencil when we work on writing our letters or our numbers, just in case we need to erase. Also, friends, remember to always start at the top, whether it's letters or numbers, and keep your pencil on the dotted line. Okay, do your best. I will see you soon.